Welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. It's been another busy week at Avon Valley and we've had lots of parent events going on. On Thursday we had our Year 7 Meet the Tutor evening where parents of Year 7 students came in to meet their tutor to talk about how they've settled at Avon Valley School. Loads of positive feedback from the parents on the evening and the students themselves, working with the staff to make sure that their children get off to a flying start. On Thursday we also invited Year 10 parents to come in to talk to our staff about how they can support their children in preparation for exams. Again, lots of parents coming in to work with our staff to help drive the ambition of their children to do the very best in their exams. One thing we're really keen to do this year is to get more parents into school to work with our staff. And on that note, we will be returning to face-to-face parents' evenings for all year groups. Please come in on those evenings and engage with us so you can help us to support your child in their journey through the school. On the evening, you'll see us smiling faces and some tea, coffee and cake to make you feel at home so that you can come in to a warm welcoming place to help us support your child. On Thursday the 10th of October we have our Year 11 Careers Fair. On the day we will have lots of employers coming into Avon Valley to talk to students about the range of opportunities that are available to them in the world of work. We look forward to Year 11 engaging with that event and driving their ambitions to think about how their future will pan out in the world of work. This week we've seen the launch of musical performances in assemblies. We've had students coming into assemblies to perform a range of instruments to promote our Peripatetic music offer. Learning a musical instrument is a great way to learn a new skill and to find a love for music. We hope that lots of students will take up this offer of Peripatetic music lessons, and for more information speak to Mr. Collins. This week students have been finding out from listener prayers about our new rewards shop. This ties into class charts, and when students receive positive points they get credit into their account. They can then use those points to spend on tangible rewards. Again, we've changed this based on student feedback as they requested more tangible rewards for their efforts in school. I hope that you've enjoyed this week's episode in what's been a busy, but again, a very positive week at the amazing Avon Valley School.